The 2025 BMW 9th is expected to build on the strong foundation of the 2024 model with enhancements in performance, technology, and sustainability. Multiple energy recuperation modes, including a sensor-enabled real-time adaptive mode and pure one-pedal drive mode, flexible fast charger cable with 110V/220V capability, X-Drive dual-motor all-wheel drive with ARBX acceleration slip control, exterior, aluminum space frame with carbon core technology including exposed carbon fiber, reinforced plastic side frame and rear, interior, gold bronze trim accents. Expect more recycled and eco-friendly materials, alongside luxurious touches like natural wood and high-quality leather or vegan leather options. Audio system, Hi-Fi. Sound system with 205-watt digital amplifier and 12 speakers. Drive system engine, dual all-electric motors, maximum horsepower, torque, HP, lb-ft, 516, 564ths. Charging and range, total range, 303 to 309 miles. Battery type, Li-ion. Charging time, level 2, 0 to 100% in under 11 hours. HALD 2025 iX will likely include the latest in safety technology with potential advancements in collision avoidance systems, pedestrian detection, and real-time monitoring of the vehicle's surroundings. The 2025 BMW 9th is set to offer incremental improvements in technology, performance, and sustainability, making it a compelling choice in the luxury electric SUV market.